Now you might be wondering why the variance and standard deviation are even needed when you could just use the MAD to measure the amount of dispersion in a data set. Well, each of these three measures of dispersion is just a different approach to measuring the amount of dispersion in a data set. Even though they all come out to different numbers, they're all measuring the same idea, which is dispersion. It's like how there's different ways of measuring temperature. On a certain day, I could measure the temperature outside in three different ways. I could measure it in Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin, and I would get three different numbers. But those three numbers would all be measurements of the same thing, which is temperature. In the same way, these three values are all measurements of the same idea, which is dispersion. Also, each of these three measures of dispersion has its own advantages and disadvantages.